Ukubhubha kwabasebenzi abalikhomba ngobulwele bokufa ihlangothi okubangwa mtjhiso kubatjhiye bathukwe khulu abantu abahlala emaplasini. Sikhathi siphithizela khulu sokuvuna kanti nanyana umtjhiso ubhoke kangaka nje abalimi kufuze bakhiqize. UNgqongqotjhe wezemisebenzi nosomkhandlu wezokulima eTlhagwini Kapa bahlangene nabasebenzi kule ndawo lapha kubhubhele khona abasebenzi. Babawa abalimi ukuthi bajugulule inkhathi zokusebenza.
We need to ensure that we work together, we support the farmers to make environment conducive for them. So the issue that you are here, Minister have raised it with them, saying that pointing out some of the regulations that are there to be able to see if they are adhere to them. So I'm excited by the assurance that they've given to us that indeed they will adhere to the regulations that according to the Department of Labor has put in place and be able to do that, and also to consider adjusting their operating hours.
malungana nokubhubha kwabantu abalisaraga.
We will be insisting that investigation has to be done, and that's what we got when we're here. But we will release our report because people have died, and we'll go to their families now to express our condolences because some of them have lost their loved ones, they've lost their breadwinners. That's why we're here.
Akwaziwa bona umbiko uzokukhutshwa nini. Abasebenzi bemaplasini abasindileko ngemva kokufa amahlangothi nabo bathi babe nethudu khulu lokusinda ngoba nabe kukumbi khulu.